Which zero-turn riding mower is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the real answer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options that will help you tackle your lawn with ease. Product number 1, ZM Zero-Turn Mower Cover. Let's kick things off with the ZM Zero-Turn Mower Cover. What grabbed my attention here is the price point at just $39.99, and it's a bestseller with 931 reviews and a solid 4.7-star rating. If you want to keep your mower protected from the elements, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Made from heavy-duty 600D Oxford cloth with a PU coating, this cover not only fits most zero-turn mowers up to 60-inch decks, but also offers impressive waterproof and UV protection. You know how frustrating it can be to find your equipment damaged after a storm? This cover means you can simply pop it on and forget about it. Plus, the windproof design with quick-release buckles ensures it stays secure, even on the windiest days. Now, some people complain that it can be a bit tricky to put on the first time. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, it's a breeze to use, and the protection it provides is totally worth a little initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and durable cover for seasonal use. Skip this one if you need something for a very specific model not listed as compatible. For the price, you're getting great value and peace of mind. Now, if the slight difficulty in putting it on bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Tough Cover Zero-Turn Mower Cover. Next up is the Tough Cover Zero-Turn Mower Cover at $54.95. This one's also a bestseller with 1,200 reviews and a 4.7-star rating. If you're looking for premium protection against wild weather, this cover is worth your attention. What really stands out here is its 600D marine-grade fabric. It's designed to withstand UV exposure and rain like a champ. If you've ever had to deal with rusty equipment because of unexpected storms, you'll appreciate this feature. The drawstring strap provides a secure fit to keep your mower safe from dust and debris, making it a lifesaver for outdoor storage. However, some users mention that it can be a bit bulky to store when not in use. I'll be real with you, it's true, but the durability and protection it offers far outweigh the inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you live in an area with harsh weather and need a tough cover that won't let you down. Skip this one if you want something ultra-compact. For the price, it's a solid investment for the protection you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who do their own maintenance. Product number 3, Pro Lift Lawn Mower Jack. Now let's talk about the Pro Lift Lawn Mower Jack, priced at $160.99. With a 4-star rating and 179 reviews, it's a bestseller for good reason. If you want to make mower maintenance easier, this is definitely worth checking out. The 300-pound capacity means you can easily lift your mower for blade changes without straining your back. What's great is the rubber-padded platform that prevents scratching and keeps your machine safe during maintenance. If you're tired of awkward maneuvers just to get to the blades, this lift simplifies everything. Now, some reviews mention that the jack can feel a bit flimsy when fully extended. Here's the thing, as long as you're careful and follow the instructions, it works perfectly for most typical mower maintenance tasks. This is perfect for you if you do your own maintenance and want a reliable tool that saves you time. Skip this one if you need a lift for larger equipment. Honestly, for the convenience it offers, the price is reasonable. If you want something with a bit higher capacity for those larger jobs, the next product might suit you better. Product number 4, VEVOR Lawn Mower Lift. Next in line is the VEVOR Lawn Mower Lift, priced at $165.90. With a 4.5-star rating and 222 reviews, this one offers a 500-pound weight capacity. If you want a heavy-duty lift that handles bigger jobs, this is the one to consider. And the adjustable settings mean it works with a wide variety of lawn tractors, which is a huge plus if you have more than one mower. If you're like me and enjoy doing your own maintenance, this lift saves you time and effort. That said, some users noted that it can be a bit heavy to move around. I get that, it does weigh in at 52.5 pounds. But once you have it set up, the stability and ease of use more than make up for it. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, high-capacity lift for a variety of machines. Skip this one if you need something lightweight and portable. For its power and versatility, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking specifically for a cover, the next product will be perfect for you. Product number 5, 2 Wintaby Zero-Turn Mower Cover. Finally, we have the 2 Wintaby Zero-Turn Mower Cover, retailing for $38.99. With a 4.4-star rating from 255 reviews, it's affordable and effective. If you want a budget-friendly way to protect your mower, this cover is worth your time. You won't have to worry about dirt, rain, or rust with this cover on your mower. One downside is that some users found the fit a bit loose on certain models. Here's the thing though, if you take the time to adjust the straps properly, it should fit snugly and do its job well. This is perfect for you if you need an economical cover that gets the job done. Skip this one if you have a very specific model that requires a custom fit. Honestly, for the price, you're getting a solid deal on protecting your investment. So to wrap it up, if you're looking for protective covers, the Zetum and Tough Cover are solid choices, each with their own strengths. For maintenance, the Pro Lift and VEVOR lifts offer different capacities to suit your needs. Lastly, the budget-friendly 2 Wintaby cover is a great option for those who want basic protection without breaking the bank. Whatever your choice, each of these products adds value in its own way.